Today we're installing the Dynamic Sequential Turn Signal Mirror Kit. To get started, use a trim tool to carefully remove the factory mirror cap on the driver's side mirror. Next, remove the mirror glass and disconnect the 3 factory connectors. Remove the mounting screws for the mirror adjustment motor, disconnect the motor connector, and take the motor out. Release the clips on the factory lower mirror housing and remove it from the mirror assembly. Now grab the new mirror housing for the correct side, along with the included power harness. Start by feeding the blue connector on the power harness through the outer opening of the mirror housing. Then route it back out through the second opening. Connect the factory mirror adjustment motor connector to the blue connector on the new power harness, then tuck all of the blue connectors neatly inside the mirror housing. Next, route the new mirror housing wiring through the designated opening and install the new lower mirror housing into place. Connect the housing wiring to the white connector on the power harness. Once connected, the turn signal light should power on and function normally. Now connect the remaining blue connector on the power harness to the mirror adjustment motor. Reinstall the motor, align it correctly, and tighten the mounting screws securely. Reconnect the 3 mirror glass connectors, reinstall the mirror glass, and snap the factory mirror cap back into place. That completes the installation on the driver's side. Repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. Once both mirrors are finished, grab the control module and its power harness. Connect the control module to the power harness first. Next, remove the passenger side door seal, dashboard side trim panel, retaining clip, and door sill trim. Locate the factory connector and plug the large white connector from the power harness into the vehicle side connector. Then, disconnect the factory connector and attach the small white connector from the harness to the factory plug. After confirming all connections are secure, neatly organize and hide the wiring. Finally, reinstall the door sill trim. Retaining clip, dashboard side trim panel, and door seal. And that's it! Your DC-style sequential turn signal mirror kit is fully installed and ready to give your Tesla a sleek, modern lighting upgrade.